Northeast India gi oina ahanba State Newborn Resource Center ama Jnims ta Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjanna hangdokrai mathang jai gi February 18 fawba chathagadaba Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully campaign 2023-24 so Minister asina hawdokhi sedasida chahi manga gi makhada leiba angang sing pneumonia na maram oiraga siba gi chang wangliba kiningai ni pneumonia ngakthoknaba vaccine leirei matam chana laengba ngamhaurabadi leina asidagi pikliba angang sing kanba ngami haibasi mipum khudingda khanghanba matam oire haina Health Minister Ranjanna phongdokhi State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur amadi Directorate of Health Services Manipur na sinduna Jnims ki conference hall da pangthokiba thoram amada Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjanna Jnims no na hangba State Newborn Resource Center hangdokpaga loinana SAANS campaign asi hawdokhibani Thoramaduga Mari Lenana Health Minister Dr. Ranjanna said a Sida Chahi Mangagi Manung Dalaiba Angang Tarataret pneumonia na maram oiraga Lake Hidre Haiba Wafamasi Taraina Lofam Tokte Angang Lake Tabayawa Matamda Yum Amade Mama Mapa Oiba Singi Oina Yamna Chowna Mangzaba Ama Oiribani Haiki Ngasidagi hawdokliba SAANS campaign asigi manung chana lamda masida leiriba mipum khudingda pneumonia gi matangda khanghanaba hotnasi State Cabinet nasu tokhaiba Medical Education gi department ama thamnaba khanaba leire haiba wafam Health Minister na phongdokleduna masi thabak oina pangthokpa ngamlagadi state asigi Medical Education gi lamda hena khudongchaba oiragani ngasi nauna hangliba State Newborn Resource Center asina pikliba angang singa mari leinana laina singi matangda expert singa loinana khanabagi mafam ama piba ngamlagani Jnims ko ina ahenba famung kuntragi Critical Care Center amasu athubada leiragani haina phongdokhi thoramaduda Director Health Services Dr. Khoirom Sasikumar Mangang Jnims ki Director Professor Laishram Devan National Health Mission Manipur State Mission Director Dr. Somorjit Ningombam Yauna Health Department ki official Jnims ki Doctor Amadi Staff Singh Asa Worker kya na sarukya ki
Sigi poster mayamzi different types of posters sigi wahan thoksi praja khuding makta Manipur ki corner khuding makta yawan ba mathau tabra haidana khanjai aina appeal tawjaning with social media gi platform da buda dum hapada khara da wai kana ba phangani ne khanjai khoi gi hospital setup khuding makta jaga khuding makta sigi posters in the yoba kanji da knowledge adum achawba pibi gani akhoi cabinet aso clear tawra kano tawra bani medical colleges so henkalakpa nursing institutes so henkalakpa tai mayam so henkalakpa kanji da so that why not we have a medical education department of medical education hainana tungana segregation nama thambiragadi the management of this education would prove to be much better man the hojipudi department of health family welfare sumaina leibaji kana if we add department of medical education which we will be taking in a very short time akoi sigis yam thuna implement tawgani so that phazana supervise tawba ngamna so that we can give quality medical education adugi wakhal londudani